Would like to pick up a point that the Minister made about Australian vaccines. You will see over coming weeks a significant ramp up in the supply of Australian vaccines, and I think it's important, as Dr. Rachel said yesterday to the media on Twitter, that the AstraZeneca vaccine that we are providing to Fiji, that's in use in Australia, is very safe. It's very effective. I've had it, my wife's had it, my son's had it, my eldest daughter has had it, my staff have had it. If Fijians vaccinate using the AstraZeneca vaccine, as the Minister said, or the Attorney General said earlier, life will more quickly get back to normal and Fiji will be able to reopen its economy. So I take this opportunity in your presence to really encourage people to use the vaccines that are on offer. The AstraZeneca vaccine is safe and it's effective. Thank you.